Kale, kale, the gang's all here. What the heck are we making? What the heck are we making? Well, I'll tell you, we're making a kale salad. Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Now, if you've seen the show, you know I'm a huge fan of salads, but I'm not talking about the iceberg purple cabbage carrot kind. I'm talking about a salad that's big enough, hearty enough that it makes a great meal. Well, today, this ain't no bag salad. This is a Tuscan Kale salad. Enough said. So bring it. So what you're gonna need is Tuscan kale, sweet peppers, radishes, strawberries, feta cheese, a lemon, pistachio nuts, garbanzo beans, shallot vinaigrette, the recipe's available on our website, olive oil, salt and pepper, cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. You'll also need a baking sheet and silicone baking mat, a saute pan, small bowl, zester, and a sharp knife. These days, kale is all the rage. They've got kale chips, kale juice, heck, I've even seen kale ice cream. This superfood is no longer taking a humble back seat as a garnish next to a steak at the Sizzler Steakhouse. But despite its popularity, some people still don't like kale.
Boo, kale.
Director Dwight obviously included. Well, today we are making a beautiful kale salad that will take any antagonistic relationship with kale and turn it into a beautiful Italiano love story, bella e bello. It all begins with our crispy, crunchy garbanzo bean topping. Now I've got some rinsed, drained, and dried garbanzo beans, otherwise known as chickpeas. We'll add some olive oil, and then I'm gonna season that with a combination of paprika, cayenne pepper, and cumin. Now you may never have heard of cumin in Italian cooking. Well, that's because it ain't the Roman Empire anymore. It was actually a pretty popular spice back in the day. So we'll give this a stir, add our combination spice to our chickpeas, stir those up, and then I will place them on a baking sheet and spread them around, and I will season that with a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to pop this in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are nice and crunchy. While the garbanzos are cooking in the back, we can prepare the ingredients for the rest of the salad, beginning with our kale. Now, just like there's curly parsley and Italian flat-leaf parsley, there is curly kale and Italian kale, otherwise known as Tuscan kale or lacinato. Bello e bella, it's a beautiful Italiano love story. Anyway, we've got to get rid of this not so beautiful center rib here that can be a little bit tough. We can do that by cutting it out with a knife, or a little trick, just go ahead and snap it, holding here and pull. Voila! It's a beautiful love story. I am a beautiful love story. Kale vein pulling. Okay, we'll do that with the rest of these and we'll move on. Once we take out all of the center veins, we just go ahead and break our kale into bite-sized pieces. Beautiful kale, getting to know you, all about you. Then we're gonna slice our sweet peppers into little rings. We're gonna go only as far as the seeds, because we don't need all of it. Then we'll cut our radishes into slices as well. And then last, we'll slice our strawberries. We'll take off the top and then just slice it into little slices. We've got all our accoutrements ready to go. We'll head back to the stove where I've got a frying pan over medium heat. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and then we will add our kale. Top it off with a little bit more olive oil, some salt and pepper. And this is literally just a flash in the pan. We just wanna bring it up to temperature and bring out that really vibrant green kale color. Once our kale is at this stage where it's nice and green, we can go ahead and take it off. And let's get this salad going and we'll plate it up. So I've transferred our kale to a small bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of our dressing at this point. Give that a little bit of a mix. Start layering on the kale here at the bottom. So we have a nice bed of kale and we'll start layering some of the other ingredients. Some of the radishes, some of the orange sweet peppers, a couple of the strawberries. And then back to the kale, all about making it look good on the plating. Then we'll add more radishes, some more of the sweet peppers, and more strawberry. Finish it with one more piece of kale right on top. And then we've got our beautiful crunchy garbanzo beans. We can sprinkle those all the way around. Our feta cheese, I know what you're thinking, it's Greek cheese. Hey, bella, bella, it's a beautiful love story. We love the Greeks. So we'll sprinkle that right on top. Some crushed pistachios that I crushed in a little plastic bag. And then finally, we'll finish it off with some of the zest of lemon. So check this out. I mean, look at the colors on that. Gorgeous. You've probably already gone to our website, gotten the recipe, but you can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this salad, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make a Tuscan Kale salad in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. Director Dwight's new favorite salad.
Yay, kale.
It's a love story. In this beautiful Tuscan. We were making this beautiful. I got it now. Beautiful Tuscan Kale.
Hail, hail, the gang's all here. We're all friends together in all kinds of weather.